respected President, teacher in charge, members of the managing committee, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear beloved students. Today is the auspicious birthday of Swami Vivekananda, who was a renowned writer, scholar, thinker, saint, and philosopher of contemporary India. He was born in the famous Datta family of Kolkata in 1863. His original name was Narendranath Datta. His father, Vishwanath Datta, was a learned man who had profound knowledge of both English and Persian. His mother was a pious lady who influenced him from his childhood. Swami Vivekananda was a brilliant student, but after his father's death, his family's financial position did not allow him to prosecute further study. Narendranath was very keen to see God face to face. He asked many religious saints about his desire, but none could satisfy him. One day he met Ramakrishna Paramhamsadev. Sri Ramakrishna said to Narendranath, as one can see him, he can see God in the same form. However, Naren was not convinced by his words. As time passed, Naren had that wonderful experience in his life. He became the most dedicated disciple of Sri Ramakrishna. Ramakrishna taught him the most important lesson of his life, that is, we can experience God by serving humanity. Vivekananda delivered his lecture at the Religious Parliament of Chicago in 1893, at which he represented Hinduism. In his deep lecture, Swamiji explained to the world that God is the only one big sea, and religions are like rivers, ultimately merging in the sea. Swamiji's teaching have left a great impact on Indian socio-cultural traditions. He was a great follower of Vedanta. His teaching focuses on the themes of Vedas and Upanishads. He believed them to be the great sources of energy, wisdom, and strength. According to him, man is the builder of his own destiny. So each human being with his own capacity can guide himself and at the same time can play a key role in the society. The divine soul of Swami Vivekananda left the world on 4th July 1902. His birthday is observed as Youth Day in India. However, his name was written in golden letters in the history of India. He was a role model for not only the people of his own country, but to the whole world. Thank you all.